met last year and invited to sing a song tonight. He's actually going to sing a song that George and I wrote in 1993 from our musical Honk. We then have a song which so nearly made the final list this year and which we wanted to give a public airing, sung by its writer, Omar Baroud.
In the meantime, please keep those donations to the Keep Writing Fund coming. We're already at a wonderful £3,600. Let's see if we can crest it up to 4,000 or 5,000 before the end of the broadcast and the decisions are made. Anyway, over to Charlie.
Hi, my name's Charlie Kristensen, or as you all know me now, #CheerUpCharlie. And last year I was bullied at school for my love of music and dance. But the West End rallied around me, and this time last year I was not expecting to be such an inspirational person and to be able to help people all around the country and to be the face of an anti-bullying campaign that is now working with the Diana Award. Yeah, it's kind of a big deal. And yeah, it's just been an absolute whirlwind that I was never, ever, ever expecting to happen. I just think I'm the luckiest boy in the world. Bye! If they knew just how dearly I would love to. But it's true, I'm a bird who seems to lack the knack. I'm just different, I'm just different from the rest. And who can blame them wanting me to find another nest? But different isn't naughty, different isn't bad. So why should being different make me sad? I'm just different. They're like peas from the same pod. No wonder they make fun of me. Life's harder when you're odd. But different isn't scary. Different is no threat. And though I'm still their brother, they forget I didn't choose to look this way. I didn't want to be unique. I don't like these grubby feathers and I hate my stubby beak. There's a runt in every litter, one black sheep in every flock. But when you know it's you somehow, your ego takes a knock. I'm just different, but I have a sense of pride. My looks may well be funny, but I hurt the same inside. Different isn't spiteful, different isn't wrong. So why is it so hard to get along? I only want to get along. Different isn't hateful, different could be swell. Different is just